Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to fix Snapchat videos no playing 2024 step by step. Right, and first method, and click on settings and scroll down and search Snapchat. Click on and photo full access. Alright, click on this non-limited and full access. Yep, full access and back and check. Alright, next time. And click on App Store and click on search and write Snapchat. Open Snapchat and click on update. Alright, and this method too. This method no work. And next method, and search Snapchat app and drag and click on remove app, delete app, and click on this, delete app, and click on App Store or Google Play, click on search, write Snapchat, and install new app Snapchat. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.